Cucumber Bites Keto, a refreshing and guilt-free snack. Looking for a delicious, keto-friendly snack that's quick to make and incredibly refreshing? These cucumber bites are the perfect solution. They're crisp, cool, and loaded with flavor, all while keeping your carb count low. Whether you're on the keto diet or just looking for a healthy snack option, these cucumber bites will hit the spot without sacrificing taste. For a batch that serves 4 to 6 people, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 large cucumbers, 4 ounces of cream cheese, softened, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of fresh dill, chopped, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a few cherry tomatoes, sliced, for garnish. Start by washing the cucumbers thoroughly, then slice them into half-inch thick rounds. You want the slices thick enough to hold the filling but still easy to bite into. Once sliced, set the cucumber rounds aside and move on to the creamy filling. In a medium bowl, mix together the softened cream cheese, sour cream, garlic powder, dill, salt, and pepper until the mixture is smooth and well combined. The cream cheese gives these cucumber bites their richness, while the dill and garlic powder bring a burst of flavor that complements the coolness of the cucumbers. Using a small spoon or piping bag, dollop or pipe a bit of the cream cheese mixture onto each cucumber slice. The amount is up to you, but about a teaspoon per slice works well without overpowering the cucumber. For a fresh and colorful garnish, add a slice of cherry tomato on top of each cucumber bite. These keto-friendly cucumber bites are perfect for an afternoon snack, a party appetizer, or even as part of a light lunch. Not only are they low in carbs, but they're also full of healthy fats, which will keep you feeling satisfied for hours. So, are you ready to try these cool and creamy cucumber bites for your next keto-friendly snack? Let us know how they turn out in the comments below.